All right, time for some Friday birthdays in the 4 states, and we begin in St. Paul with Aniston King celebrating birthday number 4 with love from Grandma Judy and Grandpa Jim. Happy birthday, Aniston.
Aubrey is celebrating birthday number 6 this year. That's her with the glasses behind that cutie little duck. Happy birthday from Mommy, Daddy, and Colton in Yates Center.
And we've got Raylan Murphy celebrating birthday number 6 in Seneca. It says happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Roman, Ryder, Renly, Nanny, and all the family.
All right, out in Girard, Ryzen Herlocker turning 8 years old this year. Hope it's a great one, Ryzen.
And we've got Kendall Young celebrating birthday number 17 in Parsons. A very happy birthday to you.
Tyler Natalini turning 19 years old this year in Scammon. Happy birthday, Tyler.
And Janetta Fiddler celebrating birthday number 19. And Janetta's attending Missouri State. Says happy birthday, love, Grandma and Grandpa.
All right, it's time for a 26th birthday celebration for Miss Paige Earl.
And we've got Ethan Hines in Webb City celebrating birthday number 31. Happy birthday, Ethan.
Okay, and Jay Berry celebrating birthday number 63 this year in Crestline, our neighbor there. Happy birthday, Jay.
And we've got Kevin and Lori Combs celebrating an anniversary in Columbus. A happy anniversary to the Combs family.
Oh, what a wonderful family picture there. And Steve and Donna Wixon are celebrating 50 years of wedded bliss. They are in Baxter Springs.
And then the person in charge of everything that we do. She controls if we turn the lights on and off. She controls the temperature in the building. Okay, I'm kidding. She's not quite that controlling, but this is our Vice President and General Manager, Brooke Arnold, celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Brooke.
All right, and our birthday list goes on. We've got Joanna Parsons, happy birthday. Carlin Crane in Sherwin, Kansas as well, happy birthday.
As well as Holly Saporito celebrating in Columbus, and Dixie Murdoch celebrating number 84 in Parsons. Very happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. And if you'd like to celebrate with us, Tanya's got some great information for you.
That's right. All you have to do is send us an email with all your birthday information, include the picture. We love to show the pictures. Send them to birthdays with an S, don't forget that S, at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the cool stuff that it's got to offer, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a great birthday message from your friends here at KOAM, so make sure you take time to sign up for the Birthday Club today.